Where the hell are my shoes?
Over there?
Why did you touch my shoes?
Why did you touch my cigarettes?
You know who I am?
Not really, no.
I'm a murderer.
So, you want to be... You want me to be afraid of you?
You will never have a good life.
Well, I don't know. We're having another party tonight. It should be even better than the previous one.
Party? Okay, I can stay.
Cool.